Hello, this is HESOFT Corporation. We would like to introduce an innovative solution that automatically generates power drawings and documents. The product name is PSA. Electrical drawings can be automatically generated based on the load. Drawing can be easily created by specify the voltage information to be used and the load type and quantity. It can automatically process tasks such as line number and current value calculation. Drawings support the creation of single line and the multi-line diagrams. In addition, 12 types of documents matching the drawing contents can be automatically generated. You can enter project information and print it out as a cover page. You can input the electrical design specification information of the project and output it as a drawing. You can set the incoming electric potential information and voltage. You can select the potential and voltage to be used by applying to the project among the set potential information. You can define the cable color table in advance and automatically assign it when creating a drawing and output it to the drawing. Wire numbering rules can be set and automatically assigned it to drawings. Automatic calculation of a calorific value is possible through panel installation conditions and temperature setting. You can check the result and select a cooler. You can set the panel configuration and document structure used in the drawing. The input project structure information is output in tabular format on the drawing. You can set the column-row separation area of the page. You can manage the part list to be used in drawings, and you can call the entered parts and apply them to the drawing. You can configure the device abbreviation to use in the drawing, and it will be used as the basis for device selection. You can also create a symbol legend based on the entered device information. An appropriate device can be automatically selected by comparing the automatically calculated current values. You can set the automatic current value calculation criteria according to the motor heater load. For base current value calculation, user can selectively utilize data registered in automatic calculation and motor heater management manual. You can save the interval and server parameter setting value used in the project and output them as drawings. You can register a list of the nameplate to be produced and automatically print them out on drawings. The parts list used in the drawings can be output as an Excel file in the desired form. You can design it and use the shortcut key while using PSA. You can update your license file. You can move to the program for automatically generating PLC electrical drawings. You can specify the type of load to use and the voltage and potential information. You can configure schematic, and a graphical environments. Device input space matching the load setting content is automatically created. Data register in the power list can be specified and the load capacity can be set. Data files are created during AutoCAD export. Automatically output documents and drawings based on input project information and configure the single line information. Drawing standards support IEC and NFPA standard output. So far, we have a look at the automation solution PSA. Drawing standardization is possible when using PSA. Improving work efficiency by shortening the design process and shortening the design time. It is a finished product that can be directly applied to field without development. If you have any technical questions, please contact us. Thank you.